Whether you're worried about your long-term memory or you just need a short-term boost to your cognitive ability, we have 10 foods that can improve the health and function of your brain. Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we have a list of 10 foods that can affect the health, maintenance and functioning ability of your brain. As with the rest of our body, the quality of our diet can greatly affect the health of our brain. You only have to look at the effects of alcohol to understand there is a direct link between what we consume and how our brain functions. Our list is a combination of foods that not only improve your immediate cognitive ability, but also maintain the long-term health of your brain. With a population that is getting ever older, age-related decline of mental ability is a real concern. The longer you can maintain a healthy brain, the better. During the course of this video, at various times, we will display a key number in the top right-hand corner. This will relate to a piece of scientific research that we have linked in the description. Number 10. Green tea. The caffeine in green tea is a great way to improve short-term alertness and concentration. Green tea also contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which has the ability to help you feel relaxed without feeling tired. It is also rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. Researchers have conducted studies suggesting both of these can help reduce the risk of age-related brain deterioration, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Number 9. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of vitamins B6 and B12. A lack of vitamin B12, or folate, is common in those suffering with dementia. Some studies have shown the introduction of folic acid helps in slowing age-related mental deterioration. Eggs are also high in choline. Choline is needed to create acetylcholine, which helps regulate moods and improve memory. Number 8. Nuts. The nutritional information displayed is for walnuts, but all types of nuts are good for brain health. Nuts are a good source of antioxidants, vitamin E and healthy fats. Vitamin E and antioxidants are particularly good at combating the effects of free radicals. Number 7. Dark chocolate. Chocolate that contains 70% cocoa mass is a great source of caffeine, flavonoids and antioxidants. Caffeine is used by the brain to aid focus and concentration, and can help when you're feeling fatigued. Flavonoids are thought to aid the brain's ability to learn and store new things. And antioxidants help limit the damage free radicals can cause. Number 6. Oranges. A single orange can provide you with over 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement. A 2014 review found that having a diet with adequate amounts of vitamin C can help protect against age-related mental decline. Oranges are also high in antioxidants, the benefits of which we mentioned earlier. Number 5. Broccoli. No matter the reason, broccoli is always a good addition to your diet. For the purposes of brain health, broccoli is packed with vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for the formation of sphingolipids, a type of fat found in the brain. There have been several studies on how a vitamin K-rich diet can improve memory. Number 4. Blueberries. Blueberries contain a group of compounds called anthocyanins. These have both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation can cause long-term damage to the brain and lead to life-limiting conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. As well as being an excellent source of antioxidants, pumpkin seeds are also high in several useful minerals: copper, which helps in nerve signaling; magnesium, which is important for learning and memory; iron, a lack of iron can cause headaches and brain fatigue; and zinc, which too also helps in nerve signaling. Number 2. Coffee. Everyone knows how the caffeine in coffee can give you a bit of a short-term boost. But coffee is also a good source of antioxidants, and drinking coffee regularly, over a long period of time, has been linked to a reduction of some types of age-related deterioration. And at number 1 we have oily fish. Oily fish, like salmon, tuna and sardines, are a great source of omega-3. Our brains are made up of mostly fat, and a large proportion of that fat is omega-3. Omega-3 is important for building new brain and nerve cells. There have been many studies into the effects omega-3 has on helping maintain a healthy brain. Hopefully you can add some of the foods we mentioned to your diet to help improve your brain health. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.